Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 12th standard business maths state board chapter 2 exercise 2.8 using fundamental theorem. See here the limit is given in the sum. If the limit is not given, you can put it as plus c. Integral, usually integral x dx means what is the value you are giving? X square by 2 plus c, because the limit is not given. But if the limit is given, you don't put plus c, because they have some limit 0 to 1. Okay, is it clear? See, 0 to 1 e power 2x into dx. First you have to integrate. What is the integration of e power x? E power x into dx equal to e power x plus c, because the limit is not given. Okay, see here e power 2x into dx. E power 2x into dx is e power 2x, because e power x integration is e power x. So e power 2x integration is e power 2x. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is what? 2. So you can write it in the denominator. Limit is given. So you can put the limit 0 to 1. You can put the limit 0 to 1. See, so 1 by 2 you can take it out. 1 by 2 into e power 2x, the limit 0 to 1. It gives 1 by 2. You don't put plus c, because limit is given. If the limit is not given, you can put plus c. If the limit is given, you don't put plus c. Keep it in careful. Okay, see 1 by 2 into. Do it in a very careful manner. See here, if the limit is not given, you can put plus c. If the limit is given, you can substitute the limit, because the limit, boundary point they are given. Upper limit e power 2 into 1 minus lower limit e power 2 into 0. So it gives 1 by 2 into e power 2 into e power 0. E power 2 into 1 is e power 2 minus 2 into 0 is 0. So it gives 1 by 2 into e power 2. Anything to the power 0 value is what? 1. So what is the answer for that sum? 1 by 2 into e square minus 1. See the second sum, integral 0 to 1 by 4 root of 1 minus 4x into dx. See to that x. If it is x, you can apply the formula for x power n, integral x power n into dx. What is that formula? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. It should be the power in 1. So it is x is there, so you can apply that formula. See here, integral 0 to 1 by 4, integral 0 to 1 by 4, 1 minus 4x whole power 1 by 2. That root I changed it into whole power 1 by 2 into dx. Okay. So whatever term you can take it as I equal to. See, what is the formula for this? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 1 minus 4x whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 into what is the coefficient of x? Minus 4. Minus 4, what is the limit? 0 to 1 by 4. Once you apply the integration formula, you can put the square bracket and put the limit also. You don't use the integration sign. See here, 1 minus 4x whole power 3 by 2. 1 minus 4x whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 into minus 4. What is the limit? 0 to 1 by 4. You cancel it. 2 1s are 2 2s are. You can take it out. 1 by minus 8. 1 by sorry, 1 by minus 6, 3 2s are 6, 1 by minus 6 into 1 minus 4x whole power 3 by 2 into up 0 to 1 by 4. This is upper limit, this is lower limit. Always you can substitute upper limit minus lower limit. See here, minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6 into, you can substitute the upper limit. 1 minus 4 into 1 by 4. 1 minus 4 into 1 by 4 whole power 3 by 2. Whole power 3 by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? Lower limit is 0. See here, 1 minus 4 into 0 whole power 3 by 2. Upper limit is 1 by 4. Lower limit is what? 0. Upper limit is 1 by 4. Lower limit is 0. See, 4 4 get cancelled. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 6 into minus 1 by 6 into 1 minus 1 whole power 3 by 2. 1 minus 1 whole power 3 by 2. 4 into 0. 0 into any number you can get the value 0. So minus 1 power 3 by 2. Minus 1 power 3 by 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it gives minus 1 by 6 into 0 minus 1 power 3 by 2. Minus 1 power 3 by 2. 1 power anything you can get the same value. So it gives minus 1 by 6 into minus 1. So what is the answer? 1 by 6. The answer is 1 by 6. See the third sum. Integral 1 to 2 x dx by x square plus 1. I told you before the sum itself. See here, if you have to see the value, you will differentiate any one of the value, you can get the next value, either numerator or denominator can get the next value. That value you can take it as a t. See here, x square. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. You neglect that constant term, but x is there. Okay. What is that? 1. Differentiation of 1 is what? 0, because it is constant. So you can take it as x square plus 1 equal to t. X square plus 1 equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. X square become 2x. Plus 1 becomes 0 equal to dt by dx. So it gives what? 2x equal to dt by dx. 2x equal to dt by dx. 2x into dx equal to dt. 2x into dx equal to dt. X dx, because the numerator is x dx. So x dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. Okay, is it clear? See, this is the limit for x. This is the limit for x, because the sum is given in a form of x. This is the limit for x. You should find out the limit for t, because we have changed the value x to t. You have changed the value x to t. So this is the, you think of this in such a way. This is the initial for x, but you should think of the initial for t. Okay. So what are the limits they have given? That is the limit for x. It is not for t, but you have changed the total term into t. So you should find out the value of that is the limit of t. See here, what I have taken here, t equal to x square plus 1. Okay, what is the limit for x? What is the lower limit for x? 1. If suppose x equal to 1, what is the limit for t? T equal to 1 square plus 1. T equal to 1 square plus 1. T equal to 2. t equal to 2. In the same way, x equal to 2, x equal to 2, t equal to 2 square plus 1. You can substitute the value in the place of x. Okay, t equal to 2 square plus 1. So, t equal to 4 plus 1, t equal to 5. If x equal to 1, that is the lower limit, got the value of t equal to 2. We have changed the limit. We have changed the value x into t. Okay, so t equal to 2. The same way x equal to 2, you got the value t equal to 5. See, I equal to, you can take it whatever term, you can take it as any other variable. I equal to, if the limit x equal to, what is the limit? 2. Limit is 2, that is lower limit. What is the upper limit? If x equal to 2, what is the upper limit? 5. X dx equal to, what is that? 1 by 2 dt. X dx equal to 1 by 2 dt by 1 by 2 dt by x square plus 1, you can take it as what? T equal to t. So, it gives, I can take it as I equal to 1 by 2 into integral 2 to 5, integral 2 to 5 dt by t, dt by t. You know that formula, integral dx by x is what? Log x. So, it gives 1 by 2, 1 by 2 log t, what is the limit? 2 to 5. The limit is 2 to 5. So, 1 by 2 into what is upper limit? 5. What is upper limit? 5. Upper limit minus lower limit. Minus lower limit is what? 2. Upper limit is 5 minus lower limit is 2. See, 1 by 2 into log 5 minus log 2. What is the formula for log m minus log n? Log m minus log n equal to log of m by n. Log of m by n. So, it gives 1 by 2, that is I equal to 1 by 2 into log of m by n, log of 5 by 2, log of 5 by 2. See the fourth sum, you can take it as I equal to integral 0 to 3 e power x by 1 plus e power x into dx. The same way you can proceed. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So, you can take it as 1 plus e power x equal to t. So, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 becomes 0. E power x become e power x. T become what? dt by dx. T become dt by dx. So, it gives e power x into dx equal to dt. In the same way, that is the limit for x, not for t. This is the limit for x. So, you have changed the limit for t. So, what we have taken here? T equal to 1 plus e power x. If t x equal to 0, because the lower limit is what? 0. If x equal to 0, t equal to 1 plus e power 0. E power 0 value is what? 1. So, t equal to 1 plus 1, the value is equal to 2. The same way you can proceed for the upper limit also. If t x equal to 3. X equal to 3, t equal to 1 plus e power 3. In the place of x, you can substitute the value for 3. Okay. So, e power 3. So, you substitute everything in the given sum. I equal to integral. I equal to integral, if x equal to 0, what is the limit? 2. If x equal to 0, the limit is 2. If x equal to t, what is the limit? 1 plus e cube. If x is the limit, what is the limit? 1 plus e cube. Okay. So, e power x into dx is nothing but what? dt by 1 plus e power x is nothing but what? t. So, what is the formula for dt by t? Integral dx by x. Integral dx by x equal to what? Log of modulus of x plus c. Log of modulus of x plus c. So, it gives I equal to log of modulus of t, but the limit is given. What is the limit? 2 to 1 plus e cube. 2 to 1 plus e cube. So, you can substitute I equal to log of modulus of 1 plus e cube upper limit minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? Log of modulus of 2. You know the formula, log m minus log n equal to log m, and so I equal to log of plus of 1 plus e cube by 2. Log m minus log n equal to log of modulus of m by n. See, x square, if it is come like this, you can take it as x square equal to t, because differentiation of x square is what? 2x. You neglect that constant term, but x is there. So, x square, differentiation of x square is 2x. Okay. If you see x square and x, you can take it as x square as t. So, x square equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So, x square become what? 2x. 2x equal to dt by dx. 2x equal to dt by dx. So, 2x into dx equal to dt. 2x into dx equal dt. But in the sum x dx is there. So, x dx equal to x dx equal to 1 by 2 into dt. X dx equal to 1 by 2 into dt. The same way, that is the limit for x. You can check the limit for t also. See here, if x equal to 0, t equal to x square, t equal to 0 square, the value is equal to what? T equal to 0. Suppose if x equal to 1, x equal to 1, t equal to 1 square. So, t equal to 1. So, I equal to integral. If it is 0, the value is 0 only. If it is 1, the value is 1 only. So, 0 to 1 x dx e power x square. E power x square is what? E power t, because x square I can take it as what? I have taken in x square equal to t. What is x dx? X dx is what? 1 by 2 dt. 1 by 2 dt. So, I equal to 1 by 2 constant, you can take it out. 0 to 1 e power t dt. What is the formula for integral e power x dx? E power x. So, it gives 1 by 2 into e power t limit 0 to 1. Limit 0 to 1. It gives 1 by 2 into upper limit. What is upper limit? E power 1 minus lower limit e power 0. Upper limit is e power 1 minus lower limit is 0. It gives 1 by 2 into e minus anything to the power 0 value is what? 1. So, what is the value? 1 by 2 into e minus 1.